Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to get straight into the tutorial. I'm using the EX1 Cosmetics Invisiwear foundation as my base. Next I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony just to give the brows a little bit of shape. I'm going to be using the Morphe palette 35M Boss Mood. I love this palette. So I'm going to start by creating the base of the eye look with this gorgeous green. It's called Express Yourself. And next this shimmery green called Bold Moves. I wet my brush to give this a more punchy, wet, kind of swampy look to the eye. Next I'm using Tarte Cosmetics Double Take Eyeliner, and I'm going to be doing quite a dramatic eyeliner look and also going to be taking it in the corner of the eye because we kind of want to start creating an almost cartoony feel for this Halloween look. So I'm going to be pulling that inner corner out slightly. Next I'm using Pretty Little Thing mascara to create a base for the very dramatic eyelashes that are coming. I'm using Lily Lashes Caviar, and here they are. Next I'm using Iconic London Pigment Stick in 4.3. So I'm going to be really over dramatizing the contour to give it a kind of muddy feel, which is usually the opposite to what we want with contour, but for this Halloween look we want to like muddy and spooky. Taking the shimmery shade Bold Moves, I'm going to start bringing this down the nose, almost like a reverse contour, and also it's all beautiful and sparkly and green, and I love it. I'm going to be contouring my nose as well with the matte shade Express Yourself. The idea again is to give it a more comic, cartoony kind of vibe to the look. Next, I'm going to be applying quite a lot of Technics Get Gorgeous Bloom Highlighter to the middle of the nose, again to give it quite a white, iridescent, ghoulish kind of feel. Then I'm using Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow to start drawing the outline to my Poison Ivy on my face. So this really doesn't need to be precise at all, it's just to give you a bit of a guide. Then I'm going to start filling it in with various shades of green. I've used Express Yourself and Stroke of Luck from the Morphe 35M palette. Next, taking Bold Moves shimmery colour, I'm going to be using this to just highlight some of the areas and give it some depth. Now I started drawing the kind of leaves, veins I suppose you could call it, with my eyeliner, but to be honest, because I'm going to be adding some leaves on top, it was kind of unnecessary, but if you're not, then you might want to do this step. Then next, using some eyelash glue, I used a real leaf from my garden. Make sure you sanitize it, guys, before you do this. I cut it up into little pieces and stuck it onto my face. Next, I'm using the Fame Chaser eyeliner by Ardell just to, again, give the leaves some highlights and start to give it this dripping off the face look. Next, I'm using Metal Matte Dreamweaver by Gerard Cosmetics for the lips. I really wanted a golden lip. I know Poison Ivy is normally known for red, but I wanted to try something different. Then I'm using NYX Duo Lavender Steel for an icy highlight. Then I'm using Tarte's Creaseless Concealer to create more depth and to give the ivy a more 3D feel. And that's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this very quick and easy Halloween tutorial. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. It's so helpful for me, and I'll see you in my next video.